Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two contenders: the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K, Resin 3D printer, and the Asani Mini 3D printer. Grab your popcorn because it's about to get nerdy and hilarious. First up, we've got the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, priced at a cool $559. On the other hand, the Asani Mini comes in at $500. So if you're on a budget and need that extra $59 for, I don't know, a year's supply of ramen, the Asani Mini might already be winning. But hold your horses. Let's talk resolution. The Photon Mono M5s boasts a jaw-dropping 12K resolution with a 10.1-inch monochrome LCD screen. That's 11,520 by 5,120 pixels, folks. It's like the Mona Lisa of 3D printers. You get an X accuracy of 19 microns. That's finer than a human hair, people. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini, well, it's a mini printer. It prints, and it's mini. Reviewers say the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s excels in print quality and detail, making it a favorite for hobbyists and professionals alike. The Asani Mini, while not as detailed, is noted for its reliability and ease of use, especially for beginners. Now, let's get into leveling. The Photon Mono M5s has a leveling-free feature with floating platform technology and internal sensors. It's like having a mini NASA engineer inside your printer. The Asani Mini, it's got easy auto-leveling, which is great for beginners and kids. So if you're a grown-up who still struggles with IKEA furniture, the Asani Mini's got your back. Reviewers appreciate the advanced leveling technology in the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, but they also love the user-friendly auto-leveling in the Asani Mini for hassle-free setup. Speed demons, listen up. The Photon Mono M5s claims to print 3 times faster with an average speed of 105 millimeters per hour. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. The Asani Mini? Let's just say it's more of a casual jogger. It's not winning any races, but it's there for the fun run. According to reviews, the Photon Mono M5s's speed is a major plus for those wanting quick results, while the Asani Mini's slower pace is seen as more suitable for casual and beginner users. For all you noobs out there, the Asani Mini is a fully assembled plug-and-play dream. It's got a 2.4-inch LCD screen and one-touch filament loading. It's basically the Fisher-Price of 3D printers. The Photon Mono M5s, it's got intelligent and efficient features like auto device check and resin detection. It's like having a personal assistant, but one that's way smarter than you. Reviewers commend the Asani Mini for its ease of use and setup, making it perfect for beginners. The Photon Mono M5s, with its intelligent features, is praised for its efficiency and advanced functionality. Last but not least, software. The Photon Mono M5s comes with upgraded slicer software, Photon Workshop 3.1. It's got an intelligent mode that adjusts exposure parameters and a new support algorithm. The Asani Mini, it's open source, compatible with a variety of software like WeBuilder, Cura, and Simplify 3D. So if you're a software geek who loves options, the Asani Mini's got you covered. Reviews highlight the Photon Mono M5s's advanced software features that cater to more experienced users, whereas the Asani Mini's open-source compatibility is appreciated for its flexibility and accessibility. Reviewers seem to love both of these 3D printers, but for different reasons. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is praised for its high resolution, advanced features, and speed, making it a top choice for hobbyists and professionals. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners and kids. Both printers have their unique strengths, catering to different user needs and preferences. So who's the winner? Well, if you're all about high resolution, speed, and advanced features, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is your go-to. But if you're a beginner or buying for a kid, and you want something that's ready to go out of the box and easy to use, the Asani Mini is your new best friend. What do you think? Are you Team Photon Mono or Team Asani Mini? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.